Good morning, Tigers. It is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. It is time for our morning announcements. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. A big happy birthday today to Ruben Ramirez Villarreal in first grade. Happy birthday, Ruben. Announcements today. Paper packet pickup continues. We will be on campus from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock today. We have changed packet pickup to the front entrance. If you're coming to pick up this week's packets, please come to the front entrance and ring the bell. If you are doing paper packets, please make sure you're in touch with your teacher or your child's teacher to learn some options for being sure that you're getting the help you need or getting questions answered. Don't forget that Teacher and Staff Appreciation is next week. Be thinking of a creative way to send your teacher a message to tell him or her how much you appreciate all the work they're doing. Our positivity project this week is Purpose and Connection. You'll be doing some activities with your teacher on that. Remember your Tiger Paws today. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a totally possum Thursday, Tigers.